the smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerator. It comes in 7 different colorways: Luxe Black, Luxe Bronze, Luxe Brown, Elegant Inox, Refined Inox, Real Stainless, and Pebble Blue. It is available in 314-liter, 336-liter, and 407-liter. And it is 2-star and 3-star rated for energy saving. It features Twin Cooling Plus, Digital Inverter, Convertible 5-in-1, and Curd Maestro. Its Twin Cooling Plus system provides ultimate freshness, with separate coolers for each compartment. The separate evaporators allow each compartment to maintain its ideal humidity and temperature. Our digital inverter compressor runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Even at night, Samsung Digital Inverter is super quiet while preserving minimum operation. Smart technology that changes your life. It includes 5 different modes, which are convertible with a simple push of a button to suit your specific needs. Samsung Curd Maestro, the unique frost-free refrigerator that makes tasty curd. We design your home of everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerator.